You've heard about them, you've wanted them, you can almost taste them. John's famous waffle recipe! The cast of characters to make these famous waffles include 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of oat flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk, 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or 1 teaspoon of almond extract, flax seed ground, and chia seeds ground. They're ground together. First thing you do is put all the dry ingredients into a mixing bowl, take a whisk, and whisk them together till it's fully blended. Then add the milk and the eggs. Put your almond or vanilla extract in. Then using the whisk, beat. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Mix it up. Go crazy. Keep beating it. Then you're going to start looking at the thickness of it. See how it runs off? Next step, and this is the secret ingredient that makes them thick. This is the surprise guest. This is flaxseed ground and chia seeds ground. They're ground together. The ratio is 3 to 1. 3 flaxseed to 1 chia seed ground. Depending upon how thick you want them, you can use 4 tablespoons or 6. In this particular batch, I ended up using 4. You put those dry ingredients in and mix it all together. And you'll notice now it's a little bit thicker. Pour it into a container, keep it in the refrigerator ready to go. Now you can see how thick it has gotten as the flaxseed and chia seed absorb the liquids and bind it together. Let's cook up a batch and see how they taste. Grease your iron. I use a avocado spray or the sunflower oil, and cook it to your taste bud till you like it. I like mine a little bit softer color, lighter color than Miss Ginger. Pop it on a plate, slap some butter on it, put a little syrup on it, and call it good. And now for the written recipe.